Hi, I'm Chris. Welcome to my place. My home is a big piece of AT. The smart home centres around the smart hub where all the AT in my house is controlled. So the smart home system is a Fabaro. It uses Z-Wave technology, which is a lot of the smart home systems run on now. The key fob that I use is just a Fabaro key fob. It's another one of their devices that you can use for any part of the home automation. When you get the front door, there's a camera on there, so I can see who's at the door, let them in if I need to. Rings through to my phone. I can answer the phone and answer the front door wherever I am. Front doors are automated through the smart hub as well, so if I open the front door I can have that turn on a light, or the garage door light, or any sort of smart link device. I also use an Alexa Dot. I've got a couple of them around the house, and they are linked to the smart home system as well. Alexa, turn on the TV.
Okay.
So in the bedroom I have an automated hanging system. It just has a button on the wall. I can press the button and it brings the clothes down to my level. So it makes it a lot easier and more convenient. My pantry, where it's an automated shelving system that rotates around just on the button on the wall, makes it a lot easier for me to get to all my stuff and saves space on height as well. With AT, I mean, with the house, I guess sometimes it has its ups and downs. It has a bit of a hiccup every now and then, and I'll come home and the doors will be open. And I guess in a way it's not perfect, nothing's perfect, but it still makes life so much easier. So another piece of assistive technology that I have in my house is an electric gate down the side of my house. It helps me get my trikes and trailer in and out quite easily. I don't even have to get out of the car to do it. So outside my home, I like to do a bit of hand cycling. In the next episode, you'll see me and Andrew taking you for a ride.